12:01 p.m.
Can you bring some more? Oh Lord. You are so extra. Stop.
Well, it's so worth it though. Welcome back to What the Food. Alex here. Steph's in the back filming this.
Hey guys.
You know her typical hey guys. So monotone. Anyways, this is gonna be our first food challenge on this channel. So anyways, I chose my favorite cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got kind of an audience here. They're very quiet, so don't worry about them if you hear laughing. That's just them. But they know not to speak, you know. Anyways, this is a giant bowl. We're gonna see how much cereal it takes to fill this up. And I'm gonna see if I can make a dent in this at least. So, bear with me, it's time to fill this up. Perfect. Alright, time to eat. Okay, you ready for this stuff?
Let's do this.
I hope I make it.
Or you do it.
I know, right? I mean, damn, how should I do it? You know what? Let's just do it like this. Oh man, I don't know why, but it smells so good.
You can slowly start seeing the milk down there.
It sounds like it's explosive, like you hear it. How much milk is at the bottom of it? See, look, you
It's
got plenty
like-
of room. Whatever, don't even matter.
That's
Don't even
funny.
matter. That was cold.
It's like almost, it's pretty much halfway.
So a gallon of milk will fit in it.
Wow. That
So
really
I'm smart. Get it in 1 second, y'all. You never know.
Yes.
That's
So
one. That's 1 whole gallon.
that is 1 whole gallon. Let's try to put some of the second one to fill it up.
Okay,
again.
definitely. Let's definitely.
I just still feel. I mean, I guess.
You feel hesitant, but this is a giant bowl. Like seriously, this is a giant bowl. And, oh yeah. So you and you, yeah, I told you. Where's all the milk? It's gonna all spill out.
It wasn't about the milk coming out. I just thought the cereal was just like.
Have confidence in this. This bowl is beautiful. I found it and I love it.
So basically,
A gallon and a
a
half.
little over a gallon and a half.
Oh God. I'm like, how should I jump into this?
Now, what is the specific challenge? Is it can you
As
finish
much
it?
as I can eat.
All right, let's go.
Oh my God, I'm ready.
Oh my god, that's fucked up.
It's so good though. You have no clue.
Yeah, I don't. I don't think you're gonna finish all that. That's all.
Don't be a hater.
I'm not.
Don't be a hater.
Okay. Oh my god, can you bring some more? Oh lord. You are so extra. Stop.
Oh, it's so worth it though.
Yes, please place that on the table for him.
Whatever. It's so good.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Cinnamon.
It's like swimming in a pool of it.
Just drop it right there, bro. Thank you. Because
So good. Yep.
yeah, you definitely have a cinnamon toast crunch thing stuck on you.
Where?
You got it.
Thank you.
You got it.
Oh, I'm good. Oh, that was good. Give me about 5 minutes. Give me about 5 minutes.
So far, he did all that in 10 minutes.
Hey, it's a bit. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Give me a second. All right.
Alright.
A few moments later. 1 hour later, 2 hours later.
Yeah, that is just horrible at the end.
Yeah, it's getting bad, huh? You loved it now, but
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Mm-hmm.
2,000 years later.
Oh, look, there's some hard parts right here. I got it.
Six and a half hours later.
I hope your tummy does not hurt later.
Oh well. Oh my god. Even if it takes a couple days, we'll get this done.
Yeah, okay.
3 days later.
Never try dressing them. It's so good though. Horchata.
The cinnamon milk. I'm dead.
You know what it's made out of, get it?
3 weeks later. One eternity later.
Am I making a dent in it?
You made a dent, but I don't know if I'm making a dent you can eat. This is probably going on like 12 minutes or something.
That's it.
So you calling quits?
No, never quit. Going on a break. I'll be back.
Another break? Nope, he's still going.
Oh my god. At this point, I'm only eating soggy bread, so I think I should call it quits. No?
I think you should.
You think I should?
Don't force yourself.
It's not forcing myself.
Many months later.
Let's take this. We gotta find the motivation to get through this. So I got my hero cup, my hero academia. Will help me through this as well. Alright, let's go.
What the fudge? Oh my god.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
The fact that you're still doing that, oh my god. Yo, that face though. Okay.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Steph, am I done?
I think you're done.
You think I'm done?
Yep, unless you're still trying to go,
I don't know,
but...
it tastes like soggy bread that's been dipped in water and mush.
Yeah, has it ruined your
point.
taste of Cinnamon Toast Crunch now?
I probably won't touch it for about 10 years, but it didn't ruin it. I'll still eat it when, you know, when we're 36. But yeah, this pure bull of diabetes, man. I'm so done.
Later that same evening.
Now you made it dirty.
I know, it's a dirty bowl. Ugh, man. Anyways, I think I done well. I think I tried. I pushed through, gave it a hard fight. But my stomach is like, what are you doing to me? And I'm just like, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do this. It happened. It's over with. It's done. Anyways, next cereal bowl challenge coming soon.
Oh, God.